Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a loving shepherd named John. He had 100 fluffy sheep, whom he cherished and watched over with great care. Every day, John guided his flock through the fields, ensuring their safety and well-being. His sheep in a beautiful meadow, surrounded by happy and content sheep. Narrator. But one day, while John was busy attending to his duties, one little sheep named Wooly wandered away and found itself all alone, away from the safety of the flock. Thou videos shows the Alongahips, little sheep wandering off. Unaware of the danger, John noticed the absence of Wooly and felt a pang of worry and sadness in his heart. He knew that the lost sheep wouldn't be safe on its own. Determined to find Wooly, John decided to leave the rest of the flock behind and embark on a journey to bring back the lost one. A montage of John climbing mountains and scanning valleys, calling out for Wooly. John's determination. Narrator. John climbed treacherous mountains and searched through deep valleys, tirelessly calling out for the lost sheep. His love for each of his sheep compelled him to never give up. And then, after what felt like an eternity, he heard a faint baa in the distance. Upon hearing the faint baa, narrator. Following the sound with renewed hope, John traced it to a rocky ledge where Wooly was stuck, scared and all alone. The camera zooms in on Wooly. John carefully climbed down the ledge, reaching out his gentle hand to rescue the frightened little sheep. Wrapping Wooly in his arms, John felt pure happiness and relief knowing that they were both safe. The video shows John safely holding Wooly, who nuzzles against him, feeling secure. Returning to the flock, John's heart was filled with joy and gratitude. He celebrated finding his lost sheep, knowing that just as he tirelessly searched for Wooly, God too searches for those who are lost and brings them back into his loving care. The video illustrates John reuniting with the rest of the flock as they gather around him happily. Narrator. This beautiful story teaches us that just like John, God loves each and every one of us deeply. Even when we feel lost or alone, God will always search for us and bring us back into his loving embrace. No matter how lost or alone you feel, God's love will always guide you back home. Our channel for more such videos.